Welcome to this video on the Supreme Court case of Paguirigan versus People, promulgated on February 12, 2024. This video explores the court's ruling regarding estafa, the constitutional right to be informed, and civil liability. This case involved petitioner Ma, Anacleta Rochelle Paguirigan, a general manager of AJ Construction. She was charged with 2 counts of estafa through false pretenses. Ultimately, the Supreme Court acquitted her of the criminal charge but affirmed her civil liability to refund 100,000 pesos. The chronology of this case spans over a decade. It began in 2008 with a contract for property. In 2009, a second transaction failed. By 2016, estafa charges were filed. Finally, in February 2024, the Supreme Court issued its verdict, acquitting the petitioner. The factual background involves 2 deals. The first deal collapsed when the real owner sold the property to a higher bidder. The second deal failed due to a bank loan rejection. Paguirigan's subsequent issuance of bouncing refund checks led to criminal charges for estafa. In the lower courts, the RTC convicted Paguirigan, theorizing she falsely pretended to be the property owner. The Court of Appeals affirmed this conviction, but shifted the rationale, arguing she committed deceit by misrepresenting her authority to sell without a special power of attorney. The Supreme Court reversed these decisions and acquitted Paguirigan. The court held that the lower courts committed a grave error by convicting the accused based on theories never alleged in the original information, thereby violating her constitutional rights. This case highlights a constitutional violation. The right to be informed mandates that an accused be charged based specifically on the facts described in the information. Convicting Paguirigan on uncharged grounds constituted a fatal variance in proof, depriving her of due process. Regarding the elements of estafa, the court emphasized that deceit must exist at the inception of a transaction. Here, the contract clearly identified the true owner. A mere breach of contract does not automatically constitute criminal fraud, though civil liability to refund the deposit remains. In its jurisprudential analysis, the Supreme Court applied a strict construction, limiting the conviction only to the specific allegations in the information. Finding no deceit, the court ruled that the failure was a contractual issue rather than a criminal one. The key takeaways are clear. The Constitution shields an accused from conviction on uncharged acts, civil breaches do not automatically become criminal fraud, and civil restitution obligations can survive a criminal acquittal. This concludes our summary of Paguirigan versus People. Thank you for watching this overview of the Supreme Court's ruling. The images used in this video were sourced from vecteezy.com and the law faculty blog of marquette.edu.